Peptide therapy has grown in increasing popularity, but not everyone understands what peptides truly are. Hi, my name is Kylie. I'm a nurse practitioner at Stephen Camp Plastic Surgery. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that tell your cells to mount a certain response. Whether that be tissue repair, hormonal regulation, immune system function, they tell your cells what they want to achieve. At Stephen Camp Plastic Surgery, we offer a lot of safe peptide options. Growth hormone peptides such as CJC 1295, ipamorelin, sermorelin, and tesamorelin tell your pituitary gland to secrete stronger pulses of growth hormone when you sleep. This helps with improved muscle mass and muscle recovery, and better sleep quality, and fat reduction. GLP-1 medications are also a peptide. Semaglutide and tirzepatide are both GLP-1 and a GLP-1 GIP medication. This tells your stomach to slow the movement of food, to help you feel fuller for longer, help to curb appetite and cravings, and help improve the amount of insulin secreted by your pancreas. This helps people lose weight and maintain the weight long term. Although not technically classified as a peptide, NAD and glutathione are often lumped into this category. NAD is the coenzyme that your mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, help to convert energy into ATP. As we age, starting about the third decade of life, we start to lose about 10% of our NAD per decade of life. This means that our cells are not functioning as optimally. By supplementing NAD, you can have improved energy, cognitive enhancement, muscle recovery, and so much more. Glutathione is your body's master antioxidant. It's naturally produced by the liver and found in every cell in your body. It helps to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress found in environment, medications, and so much more. By supplementing glutathione, you can protect your cells from oxidative stress, help your immune system, and help with healthy liver detoxification pathways. By supplementing certain peptides, you can support healthy aging and reverse cumulative damage that has occurred over the years. Peptides come in many different forms, from oral liposomal, injectables, or IV therapy. Come to a licensed provider like me and see what's best for you.